I'm waiting for my lawyer. My case has been continued again till next month. So, what have we got in here? This is traffic, criminal. Hi. How are you? Can I
don't want you filming if I'm going to help you, okay?
Okay, can I get a FOIA request, please?
What is, of what?
A FOIA request?
What is that?
Freedom of Information Act request.
We don't have.
You don't?
No.
So where do I get one? This is the clerk's office, right?
You could check with the law library.
The law library? Oh, well, don't you come in here to ask for a Freedom of Information request to submit to you guys to the clerk's office?
We don't have the forms here.
Can I get your card?
I don't have a card. We don't have cards.
And your name?
You're not filming, are you?
It doesn't matter. This is a
It doesn't
public
matter.
building.
I'm asking you not to.
Well, you work for the public. So, I need a FOIA request. And they got to have one. She asked me to go to the library. Do you have a FOIA request, ma'am?
Hello, can I help you?
Do you have a FOIA request?
I'm sorry?
A Freedom of Information Act request?
Ma'am, I don't know what that is. You might want to go check with the law library, maybe. They can help you over there.
Oh, you guys don't know?
No, I don't. Yeah, I never heard that, but they have someone that could help you probably in the law library.
Okay. All right. Thank you. They don't know what a Freedom of Information Act request
That
is.
actually works better, but so you're not with the
And I'm going to ask her.
sorry? I'm with the newspaper. Oh, okay, yeah. So you want okay, perfect. Yeah. So this right here would be yeah, absolutely.
Criminal? She doesn't have a FOIA request? That's their job. That's a mind blower.
Yeah. So
whatever is probably available.
okay.
And then, once the invoice gets paid, if this is your online system, so the system notifies us once the invoice is received, and then, we put you on something.
Amazing. Yeah. And what was your name?
Dana.
Dana, thank you so much. So I should see this by Monday, give or take?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I appreciate your time. Thank you.
Here's the records department. They don't have a FOIA request. File request, copy request, but they don't have a FOIA request. Criminal records department. No cell phones. California Rules of Court 240, court records, removal of records. That has nothing to do with what I'm doing. Is there anybody that can help me in here? Yeah, but you guys work in the courthouse. You guys got to be educated here. You have to learn our civil rights, our First Amendment, freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion. We're Americans.
Okay.
If
really
anybody
do not want to be
here,
recorded.
then you shouldn't work here. I need a Freedom of Information request form. And you guys
I
need,
was told already that she didn't have that available.
but you guys, this is where you get it. You guys are the records. What are you guys doing in here? All right, you need to be educated in here. We'll be working on you. No wonder you're arresting people on public sidewalks. They want to drag you in here, take you to court for walking on a public sidewalk, have you sitting in the courthouse watching everybody else's cases, and they don't even know what they're doing. They don't even know the damn law, and they work in the courthouse. No wonder they're arresting people for things that aren't crimes, because they don't know the law. So if you guys want to live in a country where the cops and all these rent-a-cop people can come and arrest you for whatever, then, you know, move right into here. I mean, she tells me to come to the law library to get a FOIA request. I mean, Jesus Christ. Hi. Jesus. People here don't know the law. They work in the courthouse.
So lot?
La ley.
Yeah.
La juez no sabe la ley.
Yeah.
Jesus. Que malo. That's unbelievable. How are you?
Good. How can I help you?
I need a FOIA request.
I need a what?
A Freedom of Information Act.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you filming again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I always do.
Please, I need you to turn that off. We don't allow filming in the law library.
Well, this is a public place.
There's a library code of conduct right there. Please read that.
Do you have a FOIA request or not?
I need you to please turn off the camera. But also, there's the rules right there. The library code of conduct.
That, do you
right
have
there.
a copy of the Constitution?
I cannot help you, ma'am, until you follow my instruction.
Do you? I don't follow your
Ma'am,
instructions.
please turn off the
I
phone.
follow the law.
Please turn off your recording.
No, this is my building.
Okay, I will need you to leave the library.
No, this is my building.
I am gonna
You can't
call the
kick me
sheriff.
out of the library.
Yes, I can, ma'am.
No, you can't. You guys, first of all, you guys don't know the
I would
law.
like to help you, but we are required.
You need to
actually
help
turn off the recording.
yourself. First of all, you need to learn
Please,
what the
I do not wanna be
Constitution.
recorded. I do not want to be in camera.
Well, then you
Please turn
shouldn't
that
work
off.
here. You shouldn't work in a public. Because I happen to own this building.
Ma'am, I'm going to call a bailiff.
You can call the bailiff. They know I'm in here. I just got done filming him.
That's all right. Okay, hold on 1 second, ma'am.
Do you have a FOIA request or not?
Ma'am, I cannot help you until you turn off the camera.
And they
I
can't
do
give me a
not-
FOIA request over there. And I have a legal right to do my reporting in here. I'm a reporter. That's what I do. And you guys are trying to silence me. And it's not going to work. Get your shit together. Learn the law. I know this is a scary place. These people don't know the law. They don't.
Yeah.
They don't know the Constitution. What they swore an oath to protect when they got jobs here. And they don't even know what I'm doing. I mean, it's like, I'm here to report on you, my government officials that don't know the law, that are locking up my fellow American citizens in jail for nothing, for being on a public sidewalk because they don't know the law. They don't know the law in the clerk's office. They don't know the law even in the district attorney's office. The only one that knows the law is the public defender over here, and he's a brand new dude over here, a good guy. We got a good judge over here. But this is scary to me.
Well, I know he was
I
going
mean-
to meet with you today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My public defender, yeah, I went to court with him this morning.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's been
Okay.
continued again. But like, everybody in this whole joint here has cell phones. Whether they know if they're on or off, they don't. There's cameras on every single, like right there, right over there, all over this whole place. Like, look at these cameras. And they also say that they're audio, so they could hear what everybody's saying. So I'm asking her for a FOIA request. She doesn't want to give me one unless I turn off my camera. Well, why should I turn off my camera when they're abusing the law and me? And I'm scared shitless of them. They locked me up in jail
Yeah.
3 times for walking on a public sidewalk. That's traumatizing.
Absolutely.
I'm 62 years old. This has to stop. It has to stop.
Yeah.
The police went into a public school a couple of days ago and ripped a 14-year-old kid out of the school because he took a backpack to school that the teacher the day before told him not to bring back to school, some kind of message on the backpack. Anyway, the cop went in there and decided he didn't have time to screw with the kid, so he just slammed him against the wall. And now he's paralyzed, he can't talk. He almost killed him. 14 years old, handcuffed him, chained him to a wheelchair for, I don't know how many hours. And while he was like this, paralyzed, not able to talk. I mean, these guys need training. They're dealing with human beings here. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
And they stick you in there and they transfer you like, okay, here's the cop. He arrested you for walking on a public sidewalk. He's going to take you over here to this guard over here and drop you off and leave. The guard, who knows what, is going to do to you, abuse you. Of course, because he has the key, he can do it. And they're going to do it. It's power tripping. They're young, they don't know,
Yeah.
and they're not trained. So they just lock you up in there and leave you in there without any kind of food, toilet paper, nothing at all. And then they let you out in the middle of Santa Maria when they know that your phone is dead. Look at that. Hi, little hummingbird.
Oh.
Your phone's dead, you have nobody called, no phone number, no ride. They kicked me out there, and I was sexually assaulted trying to get back to Santa Maria on foot. And now they're over here. This is my 3rd hearing.
Yeah.
And I have to hang out over here till November 8th or whatever the next one is for walking on a public sidewalk. I think I already paid for the crime 10 times over.
Yeah.
And there was no crime. It's a public sidewalk. I paid for it with my money, tax-paying money, And she's in there.
But I think you guys have an appointment, right?
Over here, is my
Yeah,
lawyer in
Mr.
there now?
Mr. Bagramian?
Is he back? Or
I don't know. I just thought he said you had an appointment with you today.
oh, he did? I don't know. I guess I can
don't
go
know.
see if
That's what I was
he.
like, I thought he was going to set up an appointment with you, or maybe I was wrong.
Oh, okay. He might.
Maybe I'm wrong.
Are you a public defender?
I am.
You are?
Yeah, I saw you in court earlier.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
It was
Oh,
my
that's
class
right.
jacket.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You helped that lady.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. God, thank God for you. Thank God for people like you here. Man, the public defender this other guy had over another guy that does auditing. One of the auditors was just, Jay's Surreal Camera. I don't know if you heard of him.
Mm-mm.
He's, somebody gave him a Percocet. It was laced with fentanyl and he died 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, and these cops around here don't have Narcan on their cars or anything. So, thank you though.
Oh, you're welcome. I'll see you later.
Okay, I'll go see if he made an appointment. You can't paste these papers on the wall and all that. Oh my God.
I'll be right with you.
Thank you. Hi. I wanted to see if my lawyer wanted to make an appointment with me because I went to court with him up there, but the judge closed the courtroom for break and I didn't see my Rochelle
Last name?
Richards.
He said he was just with you in court right now,
Yeah.
and you're trying to make an appointment with him?
Well, he said he was going to talk to me after the court, but they locked the courtroom, so I don't know where he went.
I can go ahead and leave him a message.
Okay.
But other than that, just wait for the court to open back up.
Oh, okay. So just go back over there, in there. Okay. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Go back over here. I'm gonna go back over to the courtroom and see if he's over there. But she didn't have a problem with me over here in the library last time. And they shouldn't have a problem. This is all of our building. We pay for all of this. Maybe not hearing the stuff in the courtroom over there, but out here, this is, you know. Wow, they really need to learn the law. Read the United States Constitution that they swore to before they come over here. Because we have rights in this country, in America. You know, you can't go in there with the phone. I understand that. That's a courtroom. But out here, in the building that we all own and pay for, right here, private area, employees only. It's not that I want to do this because I'm enjoying bothering these people like they think. These people over here in the clerk's office that don't, you know. But I guess you gotta go around another way. They want to play games and lock you out and screw around and get pissed off because you have a camera and all of that. It's like yeah, look at that lady sitting over there. Hi. Oh, I can't find my lawyer. I think they closed the courtroom for like a break or recess.
Just go back in? Or,
I don't know. Are we supposed to?
was it 9?
Yeah.
Yeah, 9.
7.
9's off. Oh, well, 9's open. 7, you can go and go check if you want.
Okay.
You still put your stuff in here too.
Yeah, so anyway, I talked to my lawyer. I turned the camera off because, you know, he doesn't want to be on it. But he asked me not to film, and I told him I can't honor that because Jay's surreal camera, you know, he passed away, and in order to honor him and all the auditors, I can't let these guys over here say you can't film anymore until we go to trial for the next 2 months or whatever. It's like me telling them, like I said, you can't do your job anymore until my case is over. So, you know. So I told him I'm not doing that. I can't honor that request. I'm an auditor. This is what I do. And this is what I'm going to be doing. Whether they like it or not. I'm innocent. See my shirt? Innocent. And so, there you have it. Here's my sign for Jay right here. Leave me a comment. Nothing happened in there, just rescheduling. They have everybody drive over here and do all that so they can reschedule it. Ta-ta.